front of me is SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. You need to begin by launching Keyboard, which is Sony default keyboard, and clicking on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, don't worry, just click on gear icon here, tap on voice typing, and use gray switcher to activate it. Then go back to Keyboard and tap on no visible microphone. When you're ready, start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can pause or use the same microphone. But my favorite option of voice typing using Keyboard is actually tiny icon that appears when voice typing is on. So switch it on and tap on tiny icon. Then hit next in the pop-up and done. Now you can operate voice typing from this toolbar. To move it around, hold it and drag it. But most people don't know that you can even drag it to the side and change it into this tiny one to make it even more comfortable to use when you're busy. Use voice typing thanks to the same microphone. Delete anything thanks to this button on the next. Manage keyboard settings by tapping on those two lines on the left. And go back to standard keyboard by clicking on keyboard icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!